morning. It's Sunday morning. We worked on the Defender yesterday, and as you can see the whole way through back to the rear door now. We spent yesterday taking out the middle partition that I mentioned in the first video. And also, just while we're here, just to say a big thank you for all of the, well, not so much comments on the channel, but private comments and messages, all the likes, the subscribers. Thank you to everyone who subscribed. If you haven't already, please click the link, subscribe, hit the bell so that you get the notifications of whenever a new video comes up. Don't forget to like as well. If you do like it, if you've got friends who you think this might be an interesting project for them to watch along as well, or if they have some insights, please share it with them as well, and we can get as many people involved as possible. But we've got some footage to show of yesterday's build. We've got stuff like this and like this. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll come back to you in a minute. Bye. Reinforcements have arrived. These guys were absolutely itching to get on to the video this week, so they came down to lend a hand. We've got Daniel and Johnny, and then Leah's working away there as well. So every many hands make light work. So really appreciative of these guys coming down. So we got to the end of the day. on Sunday, and we realised that we didn't really record much more than what you've just seen in the video. But we decided to do some before and after shots. We just had a couple of pictures that kind of showed the partition in place. Well, kind of slightly showed the partition in place, and showed the kind of dirty old carpet that was in it. And so you can see these on the screen coming up now, just panning shots of those, and now you can see what we have done. So we've completely stripped it out. We took all the chairs out. We took all that kind of dirty wet carpet out. And now what we need to do is fill in any holes that need filled in. We're going to sand all of it back down to the bare metal and get it looking really crisp, really clean, and we'll sand that, make it look really great, and we'll prime it and we'll paint it, and then we're going to add the sound deadening throughout. So still a bit to do, but really happy with how the progress is going so far. I'm really looking forward to seeing how the rest of the build, really takes shape over the next couple of weeks. In the first video, I mentioned that our defender was still to be named, and we do have an update on the name. So our defender is a lady. Her name is Rona, and if you want to keep up to date with Rona and everywhere she goes and the build process, in between all of these videos, you can give her a follow on Instagram. It is roaming_with_Rona. So roaming with Rona underscores in between the words. You can see it in the screen, and if you want to keep along and keep up to date, we'll probably do kind of sneak peeks of what's coming week by week in the build process. So give it a follow, like it, share it, whatever. And again, if you haven't already, click subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll receive the notifications as and when we put up the videos. Again, massive thanks for all of the positive feedback so far. Hope you're enjoying the channel, and we look forward to seeing you again next week. See ya.